this is the dashboard for our Gavel Workflows product. It looks quite the same if you're on any kind of, if you're on the legacy builder or builder 2. You have a data manager that houses all the data for you to review. And each of these workflows here are questionnaires that you can fill out to automate the documents. What's nice with our builder 2, we have a kind of new interface here. I want to show this a little bit. I can go ahead and start a new workflow here. And you'll see this new experience for our legacy users with our Builder 2 experience. This allows you to create different questions. You can add questions from our drawer here. It allows you to click on it to add it. You can also drag and drop as well. So if I wanted to actually grab it and move that, I can move that. Some of our legacy users, this is a really nice feature. It's not just add on the bottom. You'll also see the scroll down so that the question stays with you and the save button stays with you, which I know is a big ask from our legacy users. You have a lot of ways to add new pages, sections, etc. onto your workflow. It has the document templates like normal, but instead of invisible logic, it has calculations. This allows you to create the multiple sets of formulas. You can also add logic to all of your questions, and this is new for our legacy users. You can add multiple conditions to your logic on any questions or pages. So our Builder 2 feel is definitely more robust for our Gavel workflow users. I'm super excited for this to be live to all of our legacy users coming up in the next couple weeks. In this instance, for this demo, I have created a estate planning package for individual California. We can look at the back end of this for any of our workflow users that are interested. And you can see how robust you're able to make these workflows with different sections that are here, as well as the different questions that are added. And you can see in this version the calculations that we've added in order to create different formulas here. When you're running a Gavel workflow, the idea is, if I go ahead and click run on this, I'm going to fill out this form. Now, either I fill this out myself, or do I fill out the an internal, or myself, or does my client fill this out? So you can see it's a robust tool to create questions and then use these questions to output what you want. In this example, I'm doing a living trust. I do not need a pour over will, and then I don't know my document dates. But if I did know my document dates, I could click yes, and based on logic, those would appear. So if you've not used Gavel workflows at all, and this is your first like real look at Gavel workflows, all of this conditionality, the look and the feel is customizable. So you're really going to be able to make a bespoke set of questions to get to the output documents. Now, this is a very long workflow with lots of pages. So I went ahead and answered everything here. And then we'll jump to the review page that I have set up here. Cool. So this review page is everything that I've answered, put in some, Scooby-Doo references, and added all of this information into a living trust. Gavel workflows, as you are filling everything out, this is your review page that you can edit. Once I hit continue, it's going to make those output documents. So now we have these output documents. Obviously, you have created these masters, you have created the questions. There's complex conditional logic to only output certain clauses based on certain things. We have the document here that I can download directly. And then because it is a docx, I'm able to open it with my Gavel exec platform.